Is it time to buy or sell Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF? Let's take a deep dive into Ishares Bitcoin Trust. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, February 29, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Stay informed about crucial updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since February 14, 2024, our system has identified Ishares Bitcoin Trust as a strong buy candidate with a score of 7.70. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Investors who heeded our analysis would have seen an impressive gain of 19.86% since we first recommended Ishares Bitcoin Trust as a buy candidate 11 days ago. This equates to an average daily return of 1.81% since it was labeled as a strong buy candidate. The ETF is currently in the upper part of a strong rising trend in the short term, presenting a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. A break above the top trend line at $36.41 would signal a stronger upward movement. Over the next 3 months, there is a projected 36.72% change, with potential returns ranging from 15.89% to 40.54%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, there is a forecasted 17.45% change, with potential returns between -21.25% and -5.69%. This translates to a price range of $27.89 to $33.41 after a year. Our latest update on Ishares Bitcoin Trust reveals that the ETF price closed at $35.42 on Thursday, marking a 2.82% increase. On the previous trading day, Thursday, February 29, 2024, the Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF price climbed from $34.45 to $35.42, extending its gains for the fourth consecutive day. It will be interesting to observe whether this upward trend continues or if a brief pause is in store. Throughout the trading day, the ETF price fluctuated by 5.54%, reaching a low of $34.47 and a high of $36.38. Over the last 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances, resulting in a 19.86% increase over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume decreased by 43 million shares on the last day, with a total of 53 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $1.88 billion. It is important to note that declining volume amidst rising prices may indicate a future shift in the market dynamics. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF reached its peak at $36.87 and hit its lowest point at $21.54. Currently, the price stands 3.93% below the 52-week high, totaling $1.45 less at $36.87, which also serves as the all-time high for the ETF. Analyzing Ishares Bitcoin Trust signals. Today's chart shows predominantly positive signals for the Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate buy signals, painting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, the relationship between the two signals is signaling a general buy, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of corrections, support levels are seen at $31.65 and $26.61. A drop below these levels may trigger sell signals. A buy signal was identified from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, January 23, 2024, leading to a 58.69% increase. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot emerges. Furthermore, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Despite price gains, volume decreased in the last trading session, creating a disparity between volume and price. This incongruity serves as an early warning, necessitating close monitoring of the ETF. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 27 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 13 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 25 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 33 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 25 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 18 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 14 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. The Ishares Bitcoin Trust has found support from accumulated volume at $34.45. This level presents a potential buying opportunity, as typically an upwards reaction can be expected when this support is tested. Keep in mind that this ETF can experience significant movement throughout the day, making it high risk. The Bollinger Band indicates a wide prediction interval. In the past day, the ETF moved $1.91 between its high and low, representing a 5.54% change. Over the last week, the daily average volatility has been 5.12%. Let's dive into the potential day trading levels for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. With no major resistance from accumulated volume above, the stock has room to move upwards quickly. Consider entering a position and using volume as an indicator for your exit strategy. On the downside, the first support level for Ishares Bitcoin Trust is at $34.45. If this level holds, it could serve as a strategic entry point with the anticipation of a bounce back. Our recommended stop loss is set at $34.44, representing a decrease of 2.76%. This ETF experiences significant daily movements, leading to higher risk. With an RSI 14 of 87, the risk is further elevated. A buy signal was identified from a pivot bottom 26 days ago. Is Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF a good buy? Ishares Bitcoin Trust shows positive signals and is in a strong upward trend. Following the trend can be beneficial, and we believe it's a wise choice at this point. Further gains are anticipated in the next 3 months. Our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued based on recent volatility and market movements. On Friday, March 1st, we predict Ishares Bitcoin Trust to open up at $0.0033 and commence trading at $35.42. Trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. It's important to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Do not solely rely on StockInvest.us for investment advice. Your investment choices are your own responsibility when using this information. Take a look at our current stock view. Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you agree or disagree? What's your target for the ETF? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us at StockInvest.